I'm sitting in the Ford F-150 2015-2020, and if you see the message here saying check brake system, there are several scenarios, and one of them is when you see this message, and also ABS light. When you see the ABS light, it means that the problem is most likely with one of the ABS sensors, and it's not actually DIY to replace them in these cars. But at least you now know that the problem is with the sensor, which is not that expensive to replace. And also the problem may be with the ABS pump, ABS module, and you need to get the vehicle in for inspection and see what codes are stored in the modules before you invest in repairs. But sometimes when you see this message without the ABS light, the problem is less expensive to solve, because it's very often the issue with the level of the brake fluid, which you can see here. This is the brake fluid tank, and if the level is here on the minimum mark or less than minimum, it means that you need to pour some .4 brake fluid here, and also then check for any leaks in the braking system and check for the health of the brake pads. This is what you need to do when you see the message. And also the second pretty common problem is the issue with the vacuum in the system. So this is the brake booster, and these are the vacuum pipes that go all the way around to different modules, different things. You see that the vacuum is divided here, and it goes to all directions. If you notice any leak here, so a broken tube, a broken connector here, at least visually inspect this. This is the problem that causes the brake warning and brake warning light on the dashboard of your car, of your truck. And fixing this is sometimes even possible on your own. If you visually locate the problem, you can order the part and just replace it on your own. But usually these pipes are pretty tough and they last long. But the problem may be with some connection there that you can't reach easily, so you will need help with some professional inspections. Other than that, if you can't locate the problem, you need to use a scanner, OBD2 scanner. Here is the OBD port, this black one, and with the help of the scanner you can identify codes and see what's wrong with the car. But the scanner should be slightly better than what AutoZone offers. So AutoZone or some other car parts stores will offer you generic scanners that can communicate with the ECU only, and you will need something better. You will need to communicate with different modules and read the codes in various modules to see what's wrong with the braking system. And the codes will help you narrow down the problem really much. And so if you can't see anything that jumps out at you right away when you inspect the car visually, the best thing would be to plug in the scanner and see what codes it shows.